destiny chooses you, it doesn't arrive with fanfare or hand you a manual. Instead, it offers you clues, signs, and whispers. These quiet messages aren't coincidences. They're meaningful nudges guiding you toward your unique purpose. Acknowledge them. Delve into their depths, and you may uncover the arrows pointing to your destiny. In this journey, there are undeniable signs that set you apart as a chosen one. These signs are not random. They reflect your inner truth, your unique path, and your purpose to bring light into the world. Let us explore these signs, one by one, to understand what it truly means to be chosen. One of the clearest signs is your inability to be fake. You're the kind of person who simply cannot pretend to be someone you're not. If something feels off, you'd rather leave the situation than force yourself to fit in. Dishonesty, in any form, feels wrong to you, as though it's against your very nature. You're drawn to genuine people and repelled by those who are superficial or insincere. Whether it's materialism, gossip, or bullying, you find it difficult to connect with people who embody these traits. You also possess a special ability, a fake radar, that allows you to detect insincerity from a distance. It's a gift that sets you apart, allowing you to navigate life with clarity and integrity. Your authenticity doesn't just help you stay true to yourself. It also empowers you to recognize the truth in others. This unwavering commitment to honesty is a hallmark of a chosen one. You're not content with a mundane existence. While others may find comfort in routines and societal norms, you're always searching for something bigger. There's an innate feeling that you're meant for more than just going through the motions of life. The idea of conforming to a conventional path, a regular job, societal expectations, and mediocrity feels suffocating. You crave a life of purpose and exploration. Like the poet Robert Frost once wrote, "You choose the road less traveled, knowing that it will make all the difference." This hunger for more isn't about rebellion. It's about recognizing the vast potential within you and the world. You understand that life is an extraordinary journey, and you're determined to experience it fully. Being a chosen one often means facing significant challenges. Life seems to throw its hardest battles your way, not to break you, but to forge you into a stronger, wiser version of yourself. These struggles serve a higher purpose. They teach you resilience, empathy, and wisdom. Every dark moment, every test, and every pain shapes you into someone capable of guiding others. Your experiences become a beacon for those who are lost or struggling, making their journey easier because of the path you've already walked. Even during your hardest times, you find the strength to help others. This selflessness and ability to rise above your struggles are what make you a true light in the darkness. Nothing you go through is wasted. Every hardship has a reason and contributes to your growth and your mission. Ever since you were young, you've been driven by a thirst for truth. You question everything: society's rules, common beliefs, and even your own assumptions. While others may accept things at face value, you dive deeper, seeking the real meaning behind it all. Your curiosity is insatiable, leading you to explore the mysteries of existence. You understand that the greatest answers aren't always found in the external world. They often lie within. Like the philosopher Socrates said, "An unexamined life is not worth living." You're on a profound journey of self-discovery, exploring who you are and why you're here. This quest for truth isn't just about understanding the world, it's about understanding yourself and your role in it. Feeling like the black sheep of your family is another sign that you're a chosen one. You've always felt different, as if you don't quite fit in. Your views, beliefs, and way of seeing the world often set you apart, making you wonder if you truly belong. This sense of being an outsider can be isolating, but it's also a sign of your unique path. You're marching to the beat of a different drum, one that only you can hear. This individuality isn't a flaw, it's a strength. It's a reminder that you're meant for something beyond the ordinary. Despite the challenges you faced, your heart remains pure. You're a natural giver, someone who finds joy in helping others. Even when you've been taken advantage of, you continue to choose kindness. This generosity isn't a weakness, it's a reflection of your inner strength. You give because it's who you are, not because you expect something in return. Your ability to uplift others, even when you're struggling, is a testament to your purpose as a chosen one. Deep down, you know you're different. There's a gut feeling, a fire in your soul, that tells you you're here for a greater purpose. You feel like an old soul, as if you've been around longer than your years. The ways of the world often confuse you. The hatred, the division, the superficial pursuits. It's as if you belong to a different place, one that values love and unity. This inner knowing keeps you grounded and reminds you of your mission. Sometimes, people dislike you for no apparent reason. This can be perplexing, especially because you strive to be a good person. The truth is, your inner light makes some people uncomfortable. It highlights their own insecurities and darkness. As you grow spiritually, your light will shine even brighter. While this will attract many, it may also provoke negativity from others. Remember, this isn't about you, it's about them. Don't let anyone dim your light. Keep shining and trust that you're on the right path. You have a deep respect for spiritual truths and a higher power. Whether you call it the universe, God, or something else, you recognize that life unfolds according to a divine plan. You understand that everything happens for a reason, even if it's not immediately clear. This faith gives you strength and guidance. You're a light worker, someone whose purpose is to bring love and positivity into the world. You're not alone on this journey. Higher powers are guiding and protecting you every step of the way. If you resonate with these signs, it's time to embrace your calling. You are not ordinary. You are chosen, and your purpose is to make a difference in the world. Trust in your journey. Listen to the whispers of the universe, and follow the path laid out for you. You're here for a reason. The challenges you face, the truth you seek, and the light you share all contribute to your mission. You are a beacon of hope, a guide for others, and a reminder that greatness lies within us all. Remember, you are not alone. The universe has your back, and your light is needed now more than ever. Keep shining, keep growing, and keep fulfilling your destiny.